Cardi's on, I can't see. Road runner, I'm a G. Road runner, I push P. But these niggas wanna beef. I don't make at least 10. I'm robbing you and your team. They said I fell off. Up the 100 on a G. It's 100 for a gram. This shit take you off your feet. I done fell off and came back. I took over the scene. 50,000, that shit cheap. I got that under the sheets. Keep my circle tight, cause I know everybody gon' leech. I'm moving solo.
Bro, you manifested.
I got the shit. Oh,
like straight up. Bro, we went to test drive a car, and then you got the car.
I can never switch for a bitch. That's the bro code. I put my brother watch me over. I'm a guru. One-on-one, I could never copy. I'm my own boss. One-on-one, I could never copy. I'm my own boss.
Look, I told you last year you'd be rolling around in a new red C8. No, bro, I'd be like, what the fuck?
You just represent you? Yeah. You're lying, bro. You're lying, bro.
Coming off the rip. I see y'all banging off your chest, but banging on my hip. Next day I'm on the trap, I'm in your bitch, she sucking dick. Next day I'm with your bitch and she be chilling on my dick. I've been the same ever since I hit the road. My money going up.
Photos of my car with me. Bro, I'm not even, they're sending me the photos, bro.
Like, shit, but nigga, I am not a pope. Motherfucker, I'm a hit, but I'm still labeled as the goat. You can call me anything, but you cannot call me broke, bitch. Anything
I'm telling you, every
like so, yeah. I don't got no heart, this shit darker than a cold, yeah.
Bro, like I've had mine.
So I done squash his face. I don't know what he be talking about. I got a case now.
It feels the same. Like
bitch, she say broke now. I ain't tripping about no bitch. Let me tell her she say broke now. Money chasing so easy. I'm only chasing guap. I ain't tripping about that bitch. I tell that little give me top. Should've known that she a pop the way that she a fucking tree.
My brother is shocked.
Like, get up on that knee, slap a bitch across her face, and she was sucking me with teeth.
Are you gonna tell mom and dad? I said nope. Not yet.
I don't care if you got brain. Keep on fucking till I look. Bend you over, touch your feet.
Like people probably treat you differently too.
Oh,
though.
fuck yeah, bro. They have a whole other different level of respect.
Yeah. It's like
Oh, another level of respect. It's so crazy.
Boom, welcome to my channel. Brand new to us. C8, yes, another one in torch red. We already have C7 in torch red, but now we got a fucking C8. So you know we have to. Do a quick walk around. I've already done unboxing videos for C8, so there's not much to say except this is in a crazy color. I love this fucking color. You guys all know I have a thing for red. And it does have the color matched seats. Let's take a look at the inside. Ta-da! Red seats. Earthing red. Earthing red. Bro, the red seats is like everything.
Dude, straight up. Matches it. Like, oh. Yeah, I'd have that red interior, dude. I wouldn't have been able to do it if it was black interior.
Yeah.
To be honest with you,
What about a wing? Are you gonna keep it clean?
So I have a wing it's like that I was thinking about getting.
Yeah.
I don't know yet because I'm like it looks so nice like this. I'm
Yeah.
just like shit. I don't know if I should bother. Like to be honest.
It looks clean like this though.
Yeah, I don't really know if I should bother with the wing anymore. Like,
There you go. Here's our unboxing. Peace.